In this video, I'll demonstrate 3 new features that make it easier to create a pixel-perfect design using WebStarts. The first is the ability to turn any layout into a responsive layout with a single click. This is done by selecting the header and clicking the expand icon. The result is a website header that uses the full width of the screen where your site is being displayed, which gives it a fresh and modern look. You can also divide both the header and footer into columns. Dragging the smart handles will allow you to adjust the header and footer height, as well as width of each column. The second ease of use improvement is to button styles and size. Now, when you add a button to a page, the style and size will match that of the blog, store, and other apps, making it faster and easier to give your site a cohesive appearance. The third ease of use improvement is the ability to expand a text box to the width of the guidelines. With the text box selected, click on the expand icon and the text box will fill the width of the page, enabling you to more easily create pixel-perfect text layouts. These, as well as other improvements, are just a few of the ways we're making a website builder powerful enough for professionals and easy enough for everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the notification bell, and ask any question in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.